If you want to browse privately in Google Chrome, the easiest way is to use incognito mode. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go incognito in Google Chrome in just a few seconds. This is perfect if you want a separate browsing session, don't want Chrome to save your browsing history, or simply need a quick private window for testing or shopping. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three vertical dots, which is the main menu button. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down list, find and click New Incognito window. As soon as you select it, a new incognito window will open with the dark theme and the incognito icon, letting you know that private browsing is active. If you want a faster way, you can also use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl Shift and N at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N at the same time. That shortcut opens incognito mode instantly without having to use the menu. Once the incognito window opens, you can start browsing as normal. Just keep in mind that incognito mode does not make you invisible online. It mainly stops Chrome from saving your browsing history, cookies, and site data on that device after you close the window. Your downloads and bookmarks can still be saved, and websites, your employer, school, or internet provider may still be able to see activity depending on the network. So if your goal is privacy on a shared computer or a clean browsing session, incognito is a great tool to use. And that's it. Now you know how to open incognito mode in Google Chrome using both the menu and the keyboard shortcut. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one.